Welcome back everyone. Like super elevation in a roadway alignment, Cant is related to rail alignment. In this exercise, we will walk you through applying Cant to alignment. If you completed earlier exercises involving applying super elevation to the alignment, so it will a new experience for you to apply Cant to rail alignment in Civil 3D. You can open a 1105 drawing which you can get from the description. If you did not get, please write down in the comment box and I will drop you this drawing. If you open this drawing, contains a corridor with rail. Our task is to update the alignment to apply Cant. Then observe the section views in drawing which is showing in the lower model space viewport here in this file. When we will zoom into one of these section views here, so that the Cant can be seen immediately after it is calculated. Each is created at a location on the curve that should have Cant applied. However, these views currently shows flat rails, but after applying the Cant you will see some changes here. So select the alignment from the upper viewport. Just here it is our rail center line alignment. From the rail alignment contextual tab modify panel, here we have Cant, and then we can calculate edit Cant. It's same like super elevation, but super elevation we are using for the roads and Cant we are using for the rails. Just click and then click here, calculate Cant now. Keep the pivot method as low side rail and track width should be 1.5 meters. Just keep it and then press next. Just here make sure place check mark next to automatically resolve overlay, and then set the apply Cant table mixed passenger and freight Cant. You can do that as per your design criteria, but I will like to go with this. So just leave all other settings at their defaults and click here on finish. Panorama open, show the Cant Tabular Editor, same like your super elevation tabular editor. You can just cross or you can just click on the check mark, and if you see here we have not any update because we did not rebuild our corridor which we must need to build. If you see here in your prospector tab, corridor have yellow exclamation mark, which means it's need to update. Just expand your corridor and then you will see high width corridor. Just right click and here click on the rebuild. Now if you observe your sections on 0+600, you have a Cant calculated for this because we have this section on the curves areas. That's why we have a Cant calculated for this section, and here we have also calculated for the 0+280. So this is how you can calculate Cant for rail alignment, same like your super elevation as we are doing for the road. So if you like this video, stay tuned for more on Cant and super elevation.